Oh, I just awaked. I looks really bad, my hair. Yes, I will. Today I stay home and I don't go in the city in the library because now it's Easter holidays in Germany and everything is closed. But I will use the time to do a lot in the house because if I don't study today, I have a lot to do. I must finish a video for my university. My video, I make the reflection of my study stuff or study things, yes, and I already didn't finish it. And today we make Easter eggs. For Easter eggs, yes, we will color the Easter eggs with Shidoni, and I need to clean up the house more. This is the most important thing. Yes, I have really to clean up the old house because if I'm long time here, I can't accept the bad situation here, so today I'm really busy. And today is really rainy day and really cold outside, but I don't care because then I can work inside in the house and do something here.
Eines europäischen Königshauses.
Filmst du das?
Ich.
Ich will nicht die Kamera sehen.
Die Sonne stand schon
Nicht
tief,
ich.
Oder
als
dein
die
Gesicht
drei Detektive sich mit Bobs Käfer und die Küstenberge aufmachten. Wer hier unterwegs war, musste hinterher sein Auto waschen. Es staubte gewaltig. Die sandige Straße namens Camino Rojo wand sich in unzähligen Kurven die Ausläufer der Berge hinauf. Schon bald entdeckte Bob eine private Auffahrt mit einem offenstehenden Tor. Nachdem die Jungen ausgestiegen waren, inspizierte Peter den windschiefen Briefchen.
Letztendlich hat die verrückte Aktion sie wirklich zum Ziel geführt. Sie haben das
This is really old color, and you see this.
Just trying to make it. First try on a cold night, but I'm still seeing your face behind my emerald eyes. It's been months since we cut class.
But tell me what there is to say. Your broken tore my heart out tenfold and threw it all away. First try, golden eye, first try, golden eye, first try, golden eye, first try, golden eye, golden eye, wrapped up.
Alter, der Krümeltee tanzt da so.
Just trying to make it.
Today is so cold. It's raining all day. Not much raining, but it's really cold. Gray sky and raining non-stop, just a bit, but non-stop. Yes, it's a really cold day, but today it's good. I make it a fire already, and inside it's really beautiful warm, and we make it Easter eggs.